This is just a little check-in to discuss keeping your hormones up to date, and also a follow-up from my progesterone videos and my moon cycle videos. One of the most important aspects of doing hormone replacement therapy as a trans woman is getting your blood checked routinely. Unfortunately, you can't really check for progesterone levels, but you can check for estrogen and testosterone levels. And as a result of my routine checks, I've made some changes to my own medication with, of course, my doctor's advice and guidance. So with working with my doctor, I have slightly increased some of my estrogen levels as they were a little low, and my progesterone levels. First they had gone down a little bit, but then maybe that was too much, so now they're back up a little bit. This is a sample of what I'm doing currently, just so you know. But these are my levels. They won't be right for you, but you can just get a general idea of what might be right for one person, in this case, this woman here. Hopefully you can talk to your own doctor about figuring out your own best levels. There is some good information available through WPATH, although a lot of it is kind of out of date, so not always the most up-to-date information on HRT for trans women, unfortunately. But do your own research. I always advise everybody to do their own research, and by having done that research, you can have an intelligent conversation with your own endocrinologist and primary care physician. Another thing I've discovered is that it can be rather helpful for me personally to take my progesterone instead of sublingually or orally. I've been taking it as a suppository at night before bed. I would take it at other times, but then it wouldn't have enough chance to stay there and absorb into the body. So I've noticed that by doing this, I avoid the liver, first of all, but second of all, by doing that, avoiding the digestive system, it becomes a lot more effective. So if you want to do more with less, I would consider trying out using progesterone as a suppository, but make sure you discuss this with your endocrinologist first. Of course, I'm not a doctor. This is just my personal experience. I'm just one trans woman trying to make sense of it, considering we don't have really hard science about transgender healthcare, especially as it relates to hormone replacement therapy. I hope in the future that changes, but for now it just means we have to kind of do a little of our own experimentation and keep testing and seeing how it goes. So I really hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments and I will answer you. Have your perfect hormone levels. Have your best possible endocrinology experience. I hope you find the best endocrinologist. I hope you have the best transition. I hope you finally feel comfortable in your own body. It's done wonders for me. I love you. Aloha.